morning, esteemed board member. We, Foresight Consulting, appreciate the opportunity to address critical challenges facing NovaTrend. Further, in 2012, your impressive 25% year-over-year growth has positioned you for an IPO within 24 months. However, this rapid success brings significant risks that must be addressed. NovaTrend is facing some key challenges: financial strain balancing sustainability and cost, heavy reliance on e-commerce, operational bottleneck, and legal compliance gap. Concerning labor practice and potential greenwashing, our goal is to present actionable strategy and will mitigate these risks, ensure sustainable growth, and protect NovaChain reputation as you prepare for your public welfare. Let's explore.
Let's start with the financial risk. One challenge is the trade-off between sustainability and cost. With only 5% of products using recycled fabrics versus your 20% target, the shift to eco-friendly materials will increase product costs. This can lead to higher prices, potentially losing price-sensitive customers, and your 70% reliance on e-commerce exposes you to cybersecurity threats and platform outages. While your growth model depends heavily on influencer marketing and scarcity tactics, strategies that lack VRIO attributes and are easily copied by competitors and offer only a short-term advantage. Also, NovaTrend is planning an IPO in the next 24 months, and investors are pushing for sustainable profits. This might force them to cut costs in ways that hurt long-term growth, like reducing quality or marketing. Another challenge is that macroeconomic factors, including potential recessions and trade barriers in Southeast Asia, further threaten your margins. Turning to operational risk, your heavy dependence on Southeast Asian suppliers, including Vietnam, Bangladesh, India, and Cambodia, exposes you to political instability and trade route disruptions. The Russia-Ukraine war is a recent example of an event disrupting global supply chains. Your fast production cycle of 5,000 styles per year also creates significant supply chain strain, leading to forecast errors, delayed launches, and excess inventory. Regulatory risks are equally concerning. While you maintain a zero-tolerance policy for unethical labor practices, inconsistent audits in high-risk areas create gaps. This exposes NovaTrend to potential legal penalties and severe brain damage. If labor law violations are discovered, the common practice of subcontracting to smaller factories make it hard to ensure fair wages and safe working conditions, potentially making NovaTrend liable for compliance violations. Finally, there are reputational risks. Your current sustainability matrix is 5% recycled materials against a 20%, leave you vulnerable to greenwashing accusations. Also, low participation in your take-back recycling program may be perceived as dishonest, risking backlash from your eco-conscious customers. This is the risk matrix for easier visualization. Our main focus is on the three high risk in color red, as you can see, including over-reliance on e-commerce marketing tactics, supplier risk, and inconsistent audits.
To address these risks, we propose 4 ways that will strengthen NovaTrend's position for sustainable growth. Our first strategy is two-tier product approach. This could create a premium eco line featuring exclusive sustainable material in limited quantities, alongside a mainstream line offering affordable, standardized styles using lower-cost fabrics. This approach tackles multiple risks, providing financial resilience across economic downturns, satisfying investor pressure by maintaining margins in premium segments, by scaling volume in mainstream lines, and establishing a unique market position that competitors cannot easily replicate. Our second strategy focuses on smarter subcontracting and streamlining design. We recommend selective subcontracting where mainstream items are outsourced while premium products remain in-house. We propose reducing your style releases from 5,000 to 800 per year, aligned with successful industry benchmarks like Lululemon, Athleta, and Alo Yoga, which typically release 7 to 900 styles annually. This approach will reduce operation risk by minimizing overproduction and forecast errors, lower financial risk through inventory waste reduction, and strengthen your sustainability image but eliminating greenwashing concern. Our third strategy aims to diversify beyond e-commerce and influencers. We recommend marketing campaigns and in-store events to drive traffic to your flagship stores, reducing your current 70% e-commerce dependency. Following Lululemon's balanced growth model, you can develop stronger physical retail channels while creating unique lifestyle branding through strategic partnerships and authentic storytelling. This will mitigate e-commerce risk by diversifying revenue stream while building a competitive advantage through emotional customer connections. Our final strategy strengthens supply chain integrity and reduce regional dependency. We propose implementing quarterly audits with third-party certification like Fairtrade, publishing annual sustainability and labor reports similar to H&M transparency initiatives, and diversifying your supplier network into regions like Mexico. These actions will ensure regularity, compliance, reduce operational dependency on Southeast Asia, and build consumer trust through transparency reporting.
Our action plan focuses on immediate and measurable steps to implement these strategies. In the short term, within next 6 months, we focus on two areas. First, implement a comprehensive compliance system, including blockchain-based audit tracking, third-party verification partnership with firms like Deloitte, and a real-time compliance dashboard. This system should be led your self-compliance officer and legal team to achieve zero significant label violation and 100% supplier certification by Q1 2026. In the meantime, your product development team should create two-tier product strategy, conduct market research for appropriate price point, source exclusive eco-material for premium line, and establish in-house production capability. This should lead to release of 50 premium eco lifestyle and 150 mainstream lifestyle by Q4 2025. The medium term involves enhancing the in-store experience, developing strategic partnership with the goal of diversify 20% of production outside Southeast Asia by Q2 2026. The retail team should redesign store layout to showcase the two-tier strategy to create experiential zone for premium eco line. Long-term success depends on monitoring and reporting system, ensuring IPO readiness and sustainable operational by leveraging monthly review, quarterly report, and blockchain technology. Each initiative have defined responsibility, timeline, and success metric to ensure accountability and process tracking. This system should be operational by Q4 2025, providing the real-time compliance visibility and positive investor feedback needed for your IPO by Q2 2026. In summary, our key recommendation: a two-tier product strategy, a streamlined style reduction, diversified revenue channel, and strengthened supply chain are designed to build a more resilient, profitable, and ethical Nova chain. We urge the board to start phase 1 implementation by third quarter of 2025. By taking action now, Nova chain can transfer these challenges into competitive advantage, ensuring more resilient, profitable organization ready for a successful IPO, also position Nova chain as a leader in sustainable and responsible activewear. Let's move forward with confidence, knowing that we are building a lasting legacy for success. Thank you.